Who doesn't love a good pasta salad? I'm going to show you how to make a simple pasta salad with a fantastic Italian dressing. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Pasta salad makes a great lunch, a fantastic side dish, and it also works really well on the barbecue party table in the summer. I'm also going to make a delicious Italian-style dressing. We're going to start by cooking the pasta. I've got 500 grams, which is a little over a pound of fusilli pasta here, but you can use whatever pasta shapes you like. Cook the pasta as per the pack instructions. For mine, that's 12 minutes. While the pasta's cooking, we're going to make the Italian dressing. It's a really simple dressing. You just bung all the ingredients in together and give it a good mix. I'm using this jam jar, and we start by adding 120 ml or half a cup of good olive oil. Next in goes 3 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, the zest and juice of half a lemon, and a clove of minced garlic. Then we add in a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, a teaspoon of salt flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh parsley. Give that a good mix together. Okay, that's the salad dressing done. Now once the pasta's ready, we're going to drain it in a colander over the sink and then run it under some cold water, and that will stop the cooking process and stop the pasta from sticking together. Transfer the cooked pasta to a large serving bowl. Now we're going to add in some lovely colour and flavour. I'm going with some chopped multicoloured tomatoes, mozzarella pearls, baby cucumbers, red onion, pea shoots and a little bit of fresh parsley, but you can replace with whatever veggies you like, such as peppers or radish. Add those all to the serving bowl. Drizzle over half the dressing and then toss everything together. What's the likelihood of me mixing this without it going everywhere? Gently, gently. And that's how to make a super simple pasta salad. Sprinkle with a little bit of parsley and serve with that remaining dressing, and it makes a great lunch or a side dish. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell to be notified of new recipes every Monday and Thursday. See you next time.